Hey guys, it's Tabby on YouTube, and today I am filming outside because I want to, and because it is freaking raining right now in California, and I love it. And another thing, I have a cat that comes around this time at night. Freaking adorable. So I want to see maybe he'll come around and I could show you guys what he looks like and stuff like that. Kitty tag. That sounds so wrong. Oh Lord help me. God, it's like, girl, I just nah. Don't get me into it. Anyways. So really loud car? Anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna film outside. I will most likely show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna be kind of because my phone doesn't actually flip around like that, and so I'm just gonna flip my phone. But I will show it to you guys because it is cool. And it'd be really cool if it starts thundering and lightning. I don't really know if it will or not. But anyways, oh god, my hair is like out of control today. I am actually wearing a full face of makeup, which I never do. But today, this week, my face has been ridiculous. Like, seriously. I'm like, I brought home mean to fugly. So many freaking zits. Probably still see them, but you do not want to see what it looks like without these. It's gross. So, yeah. I don't know if I'll be uploading this before Easter or I'll be uploading it around Easter. So, happy Easter, everybody. If you are celebrating it. If not, happy Easter Bunny Day? I don't fucking know. If you're Jewish, happy Passover. I'm so tired. So yeah. And yeah. My sister is going to be coming over for Easter with her fiance. And it's going to be lit. Because I freaking love my sister. And yeah. Yeah. Like fucking best decided. I'm not even gonna start that again. I just can't. Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see the rain. It's really pretty. Probably the only person in California that's like, oh my god, it's raining, it's so pretty. Because everybody else is like, it's such a horrible day. I'm just like, it's so pretty. Here you guys go. It's raining. I don't know if we can really see it. My big fat head is in the way. But yeah. It's raining. It's pretty. My hair is ridiculous. It's kind of cold. And I don't know where my cat is. It's probably hiding right now. It usually comes when it starts like slowing down on the rain. So it's kind of a stupid idea to make a video right now because it's probably not going to come out. But I will post a picture of him for you guys. He's so cute. And before you guys say it, yes, I freaking know. Coronavirus can pass by cats. He's adorable, and I feel like I'm take my chances. I mean, he's so much hate for that. Oh god. So yeah, it's pretty out today. probably the only Californian that's actually going to say that. But I'm not born and raised California, but truthfully, I don't feel like I belong here because I hate summertime. Like, I legit hate California weather, except for when it's like this. So yeah, if it's not raining or snowing or cold, I'm not really happy. I don't like sweating. I burn so easily in the sun. It's ridiculous. But I like burn like a vampire. I go out in the sun just like, hey, that's a little overreacting, but it's pretty bad. Me in the sun is pretty bad. I've had sunburns like that before. Like stage 4 burns. I actually had to go to the hospital a few times. Really, dude? Going 80 in a residential area? Slow the fuck down. I'm kind of full of it today because, one thing, I haven't had much sleep. Another thing is because I've had enough caffeine that keeps me awake. So, but not enough sleep that I'm actually like all up here. So I'm kind of just like, football. It's so pretty. My makeup looks kind of shitty, doesn't it? Jeffree Star is going to be like, not Jeffree Star approved. And Shane's all like, and then Tris Paytas is all like, I think my multiple personalities, like one of them likes it, and like the other one is like, no. Me trying to make it freaking trying to make impersonations of YouTubers that are like so much more famous than me, because I'm fucking not famous at all. I don't think half of my friends watch my videos. I think my dad stopped watching my videos after like the 3rd one. That's pretty bad, right? I think so. Oh my gosh. I should do a live stream sometime. Leave it in the comments if you guys want me to do a live stream. I think that would probably be funner because I'd have people to talk to while doing it. But I think you have to get a little bit more followers before I do that, because right now people are probably like, who are you? And I don't blame you. I look in the mirror, I'm like, who the fuck is that? Every time I wake up in the morning. I thought I heard somebody. Ooh, pretty. It's getting kind of dark. Doesn't really look like it from like where I am, because I have a light hitting me right now, which you can see it like right there in my lens. So it's kind of like a spotlight. But yeah, it's getting kind of dark. So yeah, did I make you guys dizzy? Yeah. I don't know why I did that. I really wish my cat would come. He's so cute. So what do you guys think about this whole thing? I don't really want to talk about my Kevin. You guys haven't seen that video? Watch it. It's funny. Freaking hilarious. My corona. Like coronavirus. Yeah. Google it. YouTube it. It's funny. Even better. Hello from the Inside. It's a guy's priority of Adele's Hello. freaking hilarious. I felt like that a few times. It's like, what's going right dance anyhow anymore? I did not do him justice, but okay. Oh my god, I coughed. I'm just clearing my throat, guys. I'm just fucking with you guys. I'm just clearing my throat. I'm not sick. I'm not infected. That I know of. Just can't get something infected. I'm fucking hyper right now. I just pulled a leaf off a plant. I feel bad. I almost feel like I want to go out in the rain. But I know you guys are going to be like, are you fucking kidding me, Tabby? There's freaking corona going around and you're risking your making your immune system even more weak than it already is by going in the rain. I'm just like, but I like the rain. I was trying to look cute, but in all reality, I think I looked really fugly. Like probably the bottom of Shane Dawson's foot. People that don't watch Shane Dawson are probably like, girl, give it up. He's funny. Well, this video is becoming a fucking podcast. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm sorry you didn't get to see the cat. If he comes by later, I will grab my phone and I will show you guys my cat. Not my cat, because this is not Bullernut. My kitty. You know, meow, meow. I'm not on crack, you guys. I'm just kind of going crazy. I'm cold, which cold makes me hyper. I've had caffeine today, which makes me hyper. And I have very little sleep, which makes me not think. Which is actually mixing with caffeine. My sarcasm level is like, what? I'm going to try to put a few of the links for, you guys probably don't give a fuck, but I'm going to put the link for the songs I talked to you about down below. And maybe, if I can figure out how to do it. Put a couple YouTubers I suggest. I mentioned in this video. I was throwing a leaf at you guys. No. Did I scare you? No? Okay. Yeah, it's actually getting pretty dark. So I'm going to go inside. And I will possibly post a video again. Or before I post another long video with the cat. Even though you guys probably don't care. Like, why are you talking about a cat? We don't care. Because cats are cute. I don't know what that was about. I was trying to move my hair out of my head and I just got... So yeah. And I will see you guys later. Bye.